Shahada Karim. I'm here with the Desire Company. We are going to go through a basic full body stretch. We'll start standing. I'll turn to the side so that you can see me. Separate your feet about hip-width distance apart. The way that you measure is by literally putting your fingers on your hips, then your knees, then your ankles should be in one line. Push down into your feet, lift up out of your low belly. That's your first stretch. Spread your fingers, pull them out and down, lift your chin. Take a breath in and a breath out. Now, interlace your fingers behind your back to stretch out your chest. Press your palms together and soften your knees. Hinge forward, bring the weight to your toes, and as you come down, lift your fists up and pull your shoulders back and away from your ears. Keep the weight in your toes. Take one more breath in and one more breath out. Release your hands down to the mat to stretch out the back of your legs. Push down into your feet, lift up out of your hips, and think of stretching the skin behind your knees. Take a big inhale and a big exhale. Come down to your knees. Step 1 foot forward, doesn't matter which one. Stack your front knee over your front ankle for a lunge. You can use blocks if you like. They will give you a lot of support and extension. Once you get the front leg stacked, just stretch the back leg backwards. Push your hands into your blocks and pull your chest forward. Soften your shoulders away from your ears. Take a big breath in and a big breath out. Push your hands into your blocks to switch your legs. Pull your hips back, pull one leg back, pull the opposite leg forward and stack the forward leg first. Then slide your back leg back, pull your chest forward and breathe. Take one more breath in and one more breath out. Push into the blocks, pull your legs back, separate your knees about as wide as your mat so that we can open up your hips. Push down into the heels of your hands to brace yourself, then pull your hips forward and down, lift your chest up. This is all gravity. Allow gravity to open up the front of your hips just because you're letting them hang forward and down. Take one more breath in and one more breath out. Push into the heels of your hands to pull your hips backwards, walk your knees forward, and have a seat. Cross your ankles so that one foot is in front of the other. Whichever foot is in front, you're going to go in the opposite direction. So both feet should be on the floor. My left leg is in front, so I'm going to twist to the right. Walk your body over to the right, drop your head down towards your right knee. If your head doesn't reach your knee, that's totally fine. Another use for your block, you can place the block on your leg and just put your head on your leg. You're looking to open up the back of the opposite hip. We're going in the right direction, so you're opening up the back of your left hip. The more you hang down, the more you let gravity do all of the work, the deeper the stretch. When you're ready, come on up and switch sides. Place the opposite leg in front, twist in the opposite direction. Walk your body over and drop your head down. If you need a block, just place the block on your leg and rest your head on the block. When you're ready, roll yourself back up. Open up your legs as wide as is comfortable. Flex your toes to protect your knees. Roll your hips forward. That means point your butt behind you and then twist to your right. Roll your body down. It's okay if you round your spine. All you're doing is letting gravity do all of the work and breathing. When you're ready, roll yourself up. Twist in the opposite direction and roll yourself in the opposite direction. Let gravity do most of the work. All you're doing is holding and breathing. Roll yourself back up. Place your hands under your knees. Bring your feet back together. Thank you so much for stretching with me. Practice as much as you can. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it doesn't matter. A little bit of stretching goes a long way for your overall health and wellness. My name is Shahada. It was my honor to be your guide. Stay tuned for more videos with the Desire Company.